You might have heard the story of frog in the well, and that's what your parents commonly do. When parents start to compare their children, it's just simply an example of frog in the well because they can compare only with the other frogs who are there in the well. But when it comes to yourself as an individual, the best thing that you can do is avoid any comparison of the children. And the sole reason is focus on their individual abilities, individual strength. When you start comparing, you are not only demotivating a person who is not performing well, but at the other end, the child who is performing well, since you are giving them so much focus or so much attention in later years of life, they turn out to be depressed. So it's extremely important that as a parent you must be highly responsible in what you are vocalizing. Don't talk too much about your children. The only way is to make sure that you tell them what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, and help them focus on their strengths and weaknesses.